Now there are two products I'm going to be showing you guys that has the potential to make you guys a lot of sales, because this particular product I'm going to show you guys are what we call evergreen products. It took me hours to research about these two products, and I came out to realize that these products have the great potentials to make you money. Because one, you have to, before you take any product, you have to do thorough research about the product to see if people are interested in this product, and two, if the product is evergreen. So now the first product here, it's a particular product that people need actually, because there's no business online that doesn't use that product particularly to scale, except it doesn't want to be online. And the second product is kind of a funny product, but please do not laugh when I show you guys this product. But it's kind of evergreen because almost a lot of people are having that particular product and they need that solution. Wait, before we move on, let me rectify this issue. Now, some of you come to my DM and keep on complaining, saying that affiliate marketing is hard. I paid a mentor and the mentor is doing me anyhow. I can't believe that this is how much I paid. I lose my money and all of these things. Now, I even got a certain comment like this. Let me show you guys the comment I got, and it's so disturbing. It said, I joined affiliate marketing last week. Well, I'm still on training, watching courses videos. There are different courses to learn, and I need to concentrate on one course. The person that made me registered never told me how difficult this is. Definitely, any business you're going to venture into and you don't know anything about that business is going to be difficult for you. So just the same thing with affiliate marketing. If you don't understand what affiliate marketing is before you go into it properly, it's going to look difficult for you. But it's not really difficult. It's not even difficult. You just have to grow, and you also have to learn certain things with time. Most of you take affiliate marketing for a Ponzi scheme. Affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. It's a business on its own. Let me give you guys an example now. If you are selling pad, yes, like pad, you know, pad for ladies, and then you come to me, no matter how good you are as a marketer, you talk to me, you persuade me, I'm not going to buy pad because I do not need pad. Now you're in the wrong place, you're with the wrong person, and you're selling the wrong product to the person, because I do not need pad. That's part of the things you have to learn as an affiliate marketer. Come to this site first of all, and then just click on sign up if you haven't signed up already. If you don't have an account, it's very simple to sign up. Put in your first name, your second name, your email address and password, and then you just tap on sign up and tap on login. Oh, this is how your account will be. You see everything is going to be zero, your wallet zero, everything. You don't have money here. So what I want you to do is to come to this side here by this edge and tap on this menu bar, and then you're going to come down to marketplace and tap on it. So it's going to give you access to all the products that are in Stackcut content workshop. You see it, this one here. So this is the first product. Now let's go, and the commission is 50%, and the product is sold for $10. So you're going to get $5 if you make a sale. So we'll come down here and then tap on promote. This is where you're going to see it's going to take you to. So what you're going to do is come down here to this JV page, because this is your own particular page as an affiliate marketer, this JV page, because this other place is the product page where whoever is going to buy the product are going to see. So let's tap on the product page. Let me show you guys. Whoever wants to buy this product, or whoever you're going to give your link to buy this product, this is where the person is going to see it. I can see it's just 6,000 naira, so you're going to get 3,000 naira if you make a sale. And it's very easy for you to make a sale with this product, because one, the product is cheap, and two, the product is very relevant. I'm going to show you guys why. Now let's go back and come back to this our JV page and tap on it. Now it's going to take us to a Google Drive, so just okay. And these are all the required information that you're going to need to promote this product. So now join the affiliate. This is the group that you're going to join. So if you tap on it, it's going to take you to the group that you're going to now join on Telegram. So you tap on it and join it, because this group is going to help you. It's going to help you because a lot of people are in this group and they are selling the same product, and they can help you when you ask them questions. So now let's go back. Let's just tap on join, and then now let's go back. Now we are back here. Now here is promotional videos. So this is where you're going to get the videos, and down here is promotional graphic design. So this is where you're going to get the graphic designs that you're going to be posting for for leads. So you tap on this video access here to another drive where you're going to download it. So it's very simple. You just tap here to download, and then you see here where it says download, you just download it on your Google Drive, and then it's going to stay on your phone. So as simple as that. The same thing you're going to do with the graphics. You open it and you can see all the graphics that you can use to help promote your own course, use to run your own ads. Here are the testimonials that you're going to get access to. Now these testimonials is going to show you guys other people that have purchased the course and they are happy with the results, happy with purchasing the course, and all of these testimonials is going to help you market this particular product. Now, there are 5 stages to this affiliate marketing thing, and this is my own particular idea to this. Now the first stage is getting a relevant product. Now, like what I've discussed, the relevant product is what you need to get, because if you get any kind of product that people don't really need and it's not evergreen, you're not really going to make a lot of sales. Now 2 is that you're going to get the resources, just like what we've done. Now you get the resources to promote that particular product to people, because you need to convince people that 1, the product is what they should buy. 2 is that the product, they need it. 3 is that it can change their life and can help them. So you need to get resources that will help you promote that particular product. Now 3 is to run advertisements. That is, run ads to get leads, to get people that are interested in this product or service that you want to sell. So sorry, this one is 4. I made mistake with the numbering. Sorry about that. So now pitching the offer is after you have gotten your leads, and after everything, you've gotten your lead and then run your class, and you've gotten them from maybe your advertisements, and then you're going to pitch your offer. Then you're going to tell them, okay, this is the cost, this is the product, you should buy it. And then 5 is follow up. Now following up is when you have told people about everything and they are still thinking about it. So they are thinking about it due to a lot of reasons. It could be that they don't have the money, they want you to convince them more so that they can go get the money to get the product. 2 is that maybe they are not convinced enough, they need you to convince them. So this follow-up exercise is what you still need to a lot of other leads that might not buy the product in the first time you're pitching the product to them. And then 6 is when you start to make sales after you've followed up or after you've done the required things that you need to do. So it's actually very simple. These are the stages, actually very simple. Now we're at number 2, so we're going to number 3, how to get leads. Now running advertisements is the next big issues that beginners face. Now to run advertisements or run ads, you have to consider 2 things. Now 1 is that you have to know how to run advertisements, that is on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube ads, on Google ads, and all of these other social media ad platforms that you're going to use to run advertisements to reach out to people that are interested in certain products you're running advertisement for. Or you can alternatively pay people to help you do this. So if you don't know how to do it, then you have to pay someone to help you do it. Now paying people to help you do it is another challenge, because you hardly get people that can competently do these things. So it's hard for you to find these people that competently do these things if you're a beginner, because you're just starting up. Now my experience is I run advertisement with a lot of people, and some of them are fake, some of them didn't give me the required results I need, and I'm going to give you guys access. I'm going to show you guys people that are trustworthy and I've at least followed them for some while, and I know that they can give you results possibly. Now I'm not giving you guys 100% guarantee that these guys are going to give you results, because it's not from them, it's from their followers. If their followers are interested in this particular product, then you're now going to see the results. But if they're not interested, it's not really my fault, it's not really the people that the influencers or the people running the ads fault. So now the first person is Dama Cool. You can see it on the screen. So get her number, copy it. You can now text her on WhatsApp and let her help you run advertisements, because she's a very good influencer. She has developed a lot of followership, and she has a lot of trust. The next person is Lola Ads. You can see it on the screen. Copy her number and then you text her, and then yeah, you can ask her for the ad rates, for her ad rates, that is her ad cards, how much she charges for ad to help you run advertisements to her own followers, and you're going to pay her, she's going to run the advertisement for you. Now the last and most reliable person that I will personally tell you to run advertisement with, because she's good, is Mary. Now Mary run advertisement for a living. She run advertisements on Facebook ads. She does Google ads also, and I think YouTube ads also. So she even have a course to teach you guys how to run advertisement if you're interested in that too. Now, if you want Mary to help you run advertisements, you can talk to me. This is my number. I'm going to talk to her to help you run a discount so she can reduce certain amounts for you since you're a beginner if you're from me. So you can talk to me, and I'm going to talk to her to help you run advertisement for you with a lower price, reducing something for you guys. So that is just part of what I want to do for you guys for sticking to this point. That is it if you want to run advertisement properly. The video is already too long, so we're going to stop here, but we are going to continue because this is the part one. Now we're going to continue in the part two of this session. We're going to also look at the second product I discussed about, because I told you guys it's two products. We're going to look at the second product, so you can't afford to miss. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now depending on the time you're watching this, if you're watching this in a long time, when I finish the video is going to be in the description of this video. But if you haven't finished it yet, then you should please relax. When I post the video, you're going to get notified, but that's only when you subscribe and then turn up the notification bell. So see you guys in the next session.